everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jani and I'm an artist and small business owner creating art tutorials here on YouTube and art classes on Skillshare. If you want to see what kind of classes I offer on Skillshare, I will leave a link in the description box for a 2-month free premium membership. There is thousands of classes that you can choose from and they will be free for 2 months with my link. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and instructional video for the company Ikonart. This video is not sponsored. They very kindly sent me this kit so I can show you guys. And you may be asking yourself what's in the box. Well, this is a custom stencil making kit that you can use to make custom t-shirts, home decor. You can print on glass, wood, fabric, and more. Now, if you're familiar with screen printing, you must know how long it takes to create one stencil, and there is a lot of steps to it. This company has simplified all of those steps, and I'm going to show you how in this video. And here are the steps. So you print, expose, rinse, and create. Now you will receive a huge box, very colorful box. I love it. I love the design. It's really cool. So enough talking, and let me show you what's inside the box. And let's open it. Let's unleash your creativity. I'm so excited. So this kit comes with a UV light, which I guess is this one. Yep. So here's the lamp with the user manual, the quick setup guide, this is the parts of the lamp that we need to assemble, of course. Gonna end up looking like this. So here you receive 5 sheets of inkjet printer film, and I'm gonna be explaining what's that for. 5 sheets of the laser printer film. This is the instructions. A squeegee with their logo, a clipboard, this plastic, 5 sheets of Ikonart stencil film, a matte cardboard, and this is the bottom part for the lamp. There's nothing left on the box, so now I'm going to show you how to put it together. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the process and how to make your first piece with the Ikonart stencil kit. For screen printing, you always need an image. Now the image must be printed on black, and in here they have included 5 of each, one of laser printer, inkjet printer. Now inkjet printer are the most common printers at home. Laser are more for like commercial use. My printer is inkjet printer, so I'm gonna be using this one for this project. If you don't have a printer at home, you can always take the laser printer to an Office Depot or any print store. We're going to print our design on the printer film, and that's what's going to create the image on the stencil film, which is this one. We're going to be talking about this one right now. The stencil film is going to be where our image is going to be printed out. This is what we're going to put on top of the things that you want to get printed, and it's going to have your design. Now this material is very sensitive to light, so you want to keep it inside this black bag so it doesn't get damaged. So this set, as I mentioned before, also comes with the squeegee, which we are going to use to get the ink down inside the stencil. And we're gonna use the clipboard to clean out our stencil once we use it. Also to remove the emulsion from the stencil so we can reveal our design. Enough talk, let's start with our design. Okay guys, so this is a website that is called FreePic. Now you can download clip art and other stuff from here. All of the designs are completely free. They just ask you to give credit to the author, or you can also pay a membership and you don't have to credit no one. Now this is only for personal use. If you need commercial use, then you need to pay for a membership. You also need an editing software like Illustrator or any other editing software that allows you to turn those letters into black. So since I'm trying to maximize the space on my films, I am going to create a letter size, the same size as the film. And then in here, I'm going to put my 4x4 design. Now this will allow me to position it wherever I want. So of course, if I want to maximize the space of the film, I'm going to put it in a corner. Some people will do it in the same in the middle, but I want to use most of the space, and it looks good in there. So we're going to print from here, and you always have to make sure it doesn't say fit to scale, so it has to say do not scale, like you can see in here. And you also want to reflect the image, selecting it, transform and reflect, vertical, and okay. And you want to make sure it is in the highest quality, and to check that you can select your printer, go to setup, preferences, photo printing, high quality, yes, we're trying. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna click OK, and we're gonna hit print. I'll make sure it's the size that I'm looking for, and yes, that is perfect. Okay guys, sorry that it's very dark. I'm just taking care of my stencil. I don't want it to be exposed to the light too much. So now we're going to expose our stencil to the LED light. So we're going to put the matte cardboard as the instruction says first, and then we're going to place our Ikonart film emulsion side up, shiny side down. This is the shiny part, so we're gonna put the shiny part down, and then we're going to place the art on top like this. And we're going to place this clear exposure sheet that comes in the package. And because our artwork was printed on the inkjet film, we're gonna cure it for 35 seconds. And if it's laser, it should be 30 seconds. Time's up. So now we're going to wash our stencil to take out the emulsion. So we're going to attach our stencil to the clipboard. And now let's watch our stencil. When it was under the water, the image started coming out. Now we will wait a little bit until it dries. So the instructions suggest to post-expose the film again for 2 to 3 minutes. It says that you cannot over post-expose the film, and this increases cure and durability. So let's do it. I'm going to use the stencil on my sketchbook, but you can use it on different surfaces like wood, glass, fabric, and more. For this project, I'm using Speedball acrylic ink. Now make sure your stencil sticks well to the surface. And a friend of mine recommended to use masking tape to prevent the ink from getting into the material. As you can see, I missed the size, and you'll see what happens next. Add a generous amount of ink and swipe all the way down without stopping. Now for the side, and whoops, I spread the ink where there was no tape. Thankfully, the ink is water-based and I was able to clean it with a damp paper towel, so it wasn't a big deal. Now the reveal. This is the most satisfying part of the whole process. Remember to wash your stencil immediately so the ink doesn't ruin it. I missed some spots, so I'm retouching them with a brush. This was a super easy and fast project, and possibilities are endless. Special thanks to Ikonart for sending me this kit. Go subscribe to their YouTube, the link will be down below. And if you want to start creating custom stencils, go buy this kit with a 15% off your entire order with the coupon code JANABSTRA. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and let me know in the comments what would you create with this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!